was that for?
What?
That look. What was it for?
This is just not how I plan my day to go, that's all. Nice routine burglary.
Just before someone ruined it by dropping that bloody figurine.
You trod on my foot, that's why I dropped it. And you told me the boat was empty. I didn't know he was there.
I thought it was.
Come here, love. What are we gonna do about him?
Who?
Him.
Oh, right, him. I've no idea. That's what Ronnie's coming here for.
You know he was a pervert, don't you?
Oh, well, better a dead pervert than a living one.
Do you think we'll have to leave town? We shall need a new bag after this.
Well, I imagine so, yes. Well, it'd be nice to get away. Preferably not in a police van.
We've never had to before.
No, well, we've never had a body to dispose of before. It's all right. No one's taking any notice of us. Just a couple of cleaners. We finished work. We're just looking at the view. Like everybody else around here. Ugh. Sitting around waiting to die.
I like it here. It's peaceful.
Oh, we could do so much better. Humdrum seaside town. Everybody knowing everybody's business like pervert here. No privacy, no challenges. Oh, we could just move on to bigger things.
Like what? Bigger boats?
No, we could become con artists. Think of the money. Wouldn't have to hold up that bloody post office again. That was an all-time low.
Oh, I enjoyed it. Got to use my new Beretta and balaclava.
That's just it, though. You don't need the Beretta. You can rob people just using the bloody telephone or the internet. We could join an online dating site. Pretend to be some poor sad bastard from some poor sad bastard country looking for a nice Western wife. We find a desperate divorcee in her 50s, wait for her to fall in love with us, and then she sends us $2,000 so we can be united with our one true love. Not that would ever happen, but in the meantime, I've made a couple of grand. Chances are I've done it, sitting in my slippers, eating my cereal. Well, I'm doing it. Bingo.
It's not the same, though. You don't get the rush.
What, you mean like the rush you get from that?
That was an accident.
Ronnie? Yeah. Oh, are you? Right, well, just give me 2 seconds. I won't be a sec, love. Try not to kill anybody else.
Well, don't leave me here with...